Hi guys, it's me again. I hope everyone is safe. Wash your hands please and stay at home. If you need anything, you can write me a message and it's really important for you to stay safe right now. Hola a todos, espero que todos se sientan bien y que estén en casa. Por favor, si necesitan algo, déjenoslo saber que estamos aquí para ustedes. Hoy vamos a hacer una manualidad de un monito con materiales súper fáciles para que lo puedan hacer en casa. Today we're gonna do this craft a little monkey, and I hope you like it. So I will show you the materials. So you can do it with me. So I'm gonna do it really slow, so everyone can do it. So these are the materials. I will show you. Don't worry. We have here. I make this little banana. If you can see it, it's just simple. You can do it with paper. I have this little eyes. I don't know if you can see it. Be really careful with the babies with this. For me it's better if you can do it with paper, or be really aware when you're gonna do it. Also, I made these little hands, look. So you can put it on. And I made this ears, and this is part of the face. Also, I used this one to make the tail of the monkey. For the babies, oh, and you need this. It's really simple. For the babies, I always try to put the glue in a little thing like this, so they can touch it with the finger, or you can use this. So for them it's more simple, and also it works because if they want to touch it, don't worry, it's like a sensory activity for them and they are discovering the world, so it's really good for them to practice that too. So what we do is we take this. If you want to paint it, you can paint it, and it's gonna be really fun for the kids. But if you don't want to, you can use it like this because it's brown. What we do first is that we take our glue and we use our pen, and the first thing we're gonna do is put the face. We put the glue like this, and then when you have glue on, we're gonna put it right here. Look, right here. Oh, there you go. Now in here we're gonna put the little eyes. So we take this one. It's really little. Whoop. And we put it here. There you go. And then we're gonna take the other eye and we're gonna put it here. Just right here. Look. Okay, that's awesome. So now we're gonna put the ears. We're gonna try to do it. And we put it like this. Whoop. Yay, now it's looking like this monkey. And we put it like this. The monkeys do is like that's the sound of the monkey. Look, we put it like this. Oh, look how cute it looks. So now we're gonna put the hands also. We put a little bit of glue. We put the hands. Look, you can do it with paper or whatever you have at home. Look. And now we're gonna put this hand. Boop. And we put it just right here. Look. Okay, that's great. Look at this monkey. So the tail is really simple. It's with this material, or you can do it with anything you have at home. And we're gonna roll it like this. Whoop. A little bit like this with the fingers on. Whoop. And now what you do is that you open this a little bit like this. Whoop. A hole, and then you put it here and you push it. So you have a tail. Look. So now we have the monkey actually ready. So you can play with the kids with the banana, and let's see, we are gonna eat some banana. Yum. So that's great. Say hi. It's really simple. You can do it at home, and also you can sing Five Little Monkeys. Let's sing the song Five Little Monkeys. What do you think? Yay! Let's see. Doo-doo. Five little monkeys jumping on the web. One fell off and bumped his head. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many? Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. There's one missing. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Very good. So stay safe.